Fart.
You're almost ready to play with you. You get the feeling that you have to
Fart.
stop whatever you're doing and
Fart.
you're almost ready to have an accident. Look, Daddy, we're going by a
Ravensburger.
There's a barn and a cow. And look, Elmo sees a llama.
Ravensburger.
Why, well, we know a song about it.
Ravensburger.
Young Mick Elmo.
Yeah, let's sing a song together, Daddy.
Арбатская, Пражская и Братиславская, Новослободская, Автозаводская, Марина, Выхина, Новогиреева, на Краснопресненскую переход, Красногвардейская, Сокол, Смоленская, Площадь Победы, Площадь Подбельского, Речной вокзал, Китай, город Беляева, не забывайте вещи метро.
A few hours later.
Аэропорты, Газовка, Каширская, Южная Бутово и Боровицкая, и все вот это вот имени Ленина мы основали в 30-х годах, 30-х годах, 30-х годах, 30-х годах.
Wait a minute. Elmo just got the feeling he has to...
Fart.
How come you stopped singing, Elmo?
Because Elmo has to...
Fart.
Help Elmo's daddy find a place to...
Fart.
Elmo really has to...
Fart.
I don't give a shit! Shit!
Elmo's daddy needs your help.
Oh, finally a...
Ravensburger.
What the?
6, 7... Okay, here Elmo goes. Elmo just got the feeling that he has to...
Fart.
Are you sure you don't want to jump rope, Elmo?
Elmo really wants to jump rope. But Elmo better...
Fart.
Here it comes.
Daddy, remember when you told Elmo that he should tell you when he needs to...
Fart.
Well, of course I remember.
Well, Daddy, Elmo just got the feeling he has to...
Fart.
This
Supermarket. What happened, Elmo?
Fart.
We're in the supermarket.
Now, don't worry, son. We'll just find someone who works here and ask if you can...
Poop in the
Supermarket.
Here it comes.
Excuse me, Mr. Elmo's daddy. I think I have to...
Burp.
Okay, baby bear.
By the dawn's early light.
My God!
Fart.
Hey, I'm a doctor.
Elmo's... Super Mario!